How to verify your account on PeoplePerHour. First of all, open your browser and go to PeoplePerHour.com. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, navigate to Payments section and here you will see Identification Documents. This is where you will manage your account verification and upload the necessary identification documents. Now upload all the requested identification documents. These usually include a valid government issued ID and proof of address. Once your documents are uploaded, click on Submit. After submitting, you will be asked to choose a verification speed. You can select Fast Track, which typically approves your documents within 24 hours, or Basic, which may take up to 7 working days. Finally, wait for the PeoplePerHour payment team to review and approve your documents. Keep in mind that document verification can take up to 7 working days depending on the chosen option. Once approved, your account will be verified. Now you know how to verify your account on PeoplePerHour. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.